Hi, hello, my name is Ebere, and today I'll be walking you through my backend Shopify store. And just for you to know, I'm a Shopify and e commerce customer support specialist. So let's get straight into this. Now, this I use Horizon for this theme. So, the first thing you will see when you come to the store is the announcement bar. Here, welcome to Dadedan Stores. So this is at the very top of the store, and it's basically a thin line, like sort of. Okay, let's minimize this first. Here, it's sort of a thin line, and a banner that sits above everything else. It sits above the navigation. It sits above the logo and every other thing. On the horizon theme, I put a short message to grab attention. This, yeah, to grab attention right away. Things like a promo, free shipping info, or store-wide deal. It's one of the first thing the customer sees when they land on the site. And I intentionally had it put there intentionally. So you can customize the text. The background color can be changed to suit your store background color or the business color. The You can even add a link to it. It's super simple but very effective for communicating urgency or offers without taking too much space. All right, so let's exit out. Yeah. So we have the header here and a simple way to navigate around the website here. So we have the logo here at the left side of the store, and we have the home, we have the catalog, contact, about us, FAQ, and the blog post. We also do have on this part of the store the cat icon here. We have the cat icon, and we have also several things that will make you easily navigate through the store. All right, so I set up the navigation to make it easy for shoppers to find exactly what they are looking for without having to dig around. This menu up here is organized so customers can jump straight to different product categories, which we'll get into in a moment. So moving down, we have the hero section. This section is very, very important and is the very first visual impression of your store. Just think of it as your storefront window. So on this horizon theme, the hero section takes a big portion here. Look at it. A big portion of the screen, which is great because it's bold and eye-catching. And I also have a full width banner image here with headline and also a call to action button. So the goal is to immediately communicate what the store is about and direct visitors to start shopping. So you want this section to feel polished and on brand because it sets the tone for the entire shopping experience. So just below the hero, we have the Marquee scrolling text bar here. There's the Marquee and it moves across the screen. So on horizon, this is a really nice touch because it keeps the page feeling dynamic and alive. Yeah, it scrolls through, it keeps scrolling. So I use it to highlight key selling points, like things such as secure checkout, fast shipping, easy returns. So whatever message I want to keep or reinforce so that people can see, I put it in a marquee. It's subtle, but it really works really well and keeps the brand messaging visible without being, flashed on the face. All right, so we're going to so we are getting into the featured collection. Yeah, that's the featured collection. Here is the featured collection here. So the featured collection is where I showcase selected products on the home page. Yeah. So right now the homepage collection is pulling in products that I've handpicked to be highlighted and somewhere from the CJ dropshipping platform. You can see we have variety of products here into various categories that are represented in the store. We've got also home appliances and like the humidifier here, and we also have women fashion, yeah, and we also have luxury handbags, and we also have jacket jeans, and we also have e-cover books for covering of books, ebook covers, yeah. So the horizon theme that is displayed here is clean, in a clean grid layout with product images. And let me just click on one to see all the details we have under each product. For this luxury handbag, it has everything set up, the image, the titles, all the prices, everything is visible, the colors that are available also. All colors, we have black, white, beige, brown, pink, green. All colors are visible here so that customers can click straight through the product from here. No extra step. They can add it to cart and they can just buy it. No extra step needed. Just everything they need to know about the product is already enlisted and well optimized. Now, let me show you how the individual collection pages are set up. Each collection has its own dedicated page. For example, we have the women footwear. Let me go back to the women footwear. We have a variety of them, the women footwear, tops, jackets, jeans, luxury handbag, and e-book covers. So let's go to the woman footwear. Now, what I actually love about the Horizon theme is that collection template is really visual. It leads with the collection image at the top, as you can see, and then displays the product in a grid below. Some of these collections are manual. For this one is from the CJ Dropshipping. So when I say they are manual, meaning I add products to them myself, like the handbag was added myself, the one I previously displayed. And some are smart collections, meaning they are automatically pulled in from, some collections based on the rules I've already set. All right, so here we have the product description down here. This is the title, the product title, and these are the colors that are available. And that's the variant picker with the colors. The variant are the colors, okay? So we have here we have the add to cart button. Here we have the buy now button. So, and here we have the product description. And then when you scroll down, you see other variances for this products. All right, so it's really easy to scale as I add more products. It's actually very easy to keep things well organized and easy for visitors to come in and just pick what they want without being confused. So scrolling all the way down, we're heading down to the footer section. Yeah. So this is the footer section here, down here. And there's the bottom section of every page on the store. So I've set this up to include important links, things like store policy. Here we have the store policy. We have the contact information, the navigation shortcuts. So what I did was to add also a multi-column so that this footer section will not be too jam-packed with things, so that it will be easy to be read and understood. So I created a multi-column here to add other information. There's a multi-column, this is a divider. Here, a multi-column. This box is a multi-column. So I added the social media handle here. I added the shop info, the contact, the refund and return policy, the shopping policy, the privacy policy, terms of service, and all. You get them down at the bottom of the store website. So on the horizon theme, as I said earlier, the footer has a multi-column layout. So it looks structured and professional rather than just a jumble of links. So it's also where you would typically see payment icons showing what payment method are accepted. It also shows the social media handles that the store has. It might seem like a small detail, but it's well set up footer and it builds trust. So even if you have to do this, when you have a well set up footer, it actually automatically builds trust and it shows the store is legitimate and easy to navigate. All right. So we have the Shopify inbox setting here. Let me click on it. We have the Shopify inbox setting. So let me talk about the chat feature. I have this inbox integrated into the store. And if you look at the bottom where I clicked right now, that's where you can actually put it on the left or on the right. So but for me, I chose to put it on the right. So there customers can actually message me directly. So what I love about Shopify Inbox is that it's completely free and it's built right into Shopify. So I can manage all my customers' conversation from my Shopify admin or even from the mobile app. Yes, here we have the mobile app. Let me show you. This is the mobile app. Yes, this is how it looks on the mobile app. So you can actually have it set up like that. So I've also set up automated responses so that when someone sends a message, they get an instant reply, even if I'm not online. And I believe it's a great way to capture leads, answer pre purchased questions, and reduce abandoned cart. Like you see, we have this already set up as automated responses to messages like track my order, what is your return policy, what is your contact info, how do I receive my digital products. So let's head back to the desktop view. Okay, we are heading on to integrated apps, the apps that we integrated into the store. We have a number of them. We have the messaging, we have the Clevio, the email marketing and SMS. We have the Propel appointment, digital downloads, Shopify Cloud Connector app, Judge Me Review, Translate and Adapt, ShipBob Fulfillment, CJ Dropshipping, and Intercom. These are all the apps that are installed and also integrated into the Shopify store. All right, so let's talk about the apps I've plugged into the store because these are what really levels things up. So we'll talk about the messaging. You can use it for your email campaign. We'll talk about the Clevio. This is also email marketing tool. The Clevio is connected to the store so that anytime someone signs up, makes a purchase or abandons their cart, it can trigger an automated email flows. It's one of the most powerful tools for D2C e-commerce because it lets you communicate with customers at every stage of their journey. It sends welcome emails, post purchase follow ups, and win back campaigns. All of it, it does it. That's for the Clevio. Then we have the Propel appointments. For this, you can actually use it to book appointments for visitors in your store. And it also helps to record and replay real visitor sessions on your store so you can see exactly how customers are browsing and interacting with your store. So we have the digital downloads. So the digital downloads is the app I integrated into the store that allows me to sell automatically and deliver digital products like the ebook cover and also files. So it's integrated directly into Shopify so that customers can receive their digital products via email after they have purchased it automatically, that's immediately with no manual sending required. So I actually made it and set it up to be automatic. Immediately payment is made, they get their downloads or their files or any digital products automatically into their emails. So for the Shopify Claude connector app, I also have the Claude AI connected directly to the store, which means I can manage and get real time insights about my products, the order, and also the collections. Just by having a conversation with it, it makes work really easy, and it saves time and improves productivity. Then we have the Judge Me Review. This is a product review app. Like, any store can tell you their product is great, but customers trust other customers just because of the review they see on their store. So Judge Me Review that was integrated, it helps to let us verify buyers and help them to also leave reviews directly on product pages. And it even sends automated review requests emails after a purchase. Yes, it does that. It also helps build social proof, which is huge for conversion, especially for a newer store. Yeah, it helps a lot for new stores. Then we have the translate and adapt. Translate and adapt allows me to translate my store content. It allows me to translate it into multiple languages. Like on this store right now, we have it in English and we have it in French. So it allows me to translate multiple languages so that customers from different regions can shop in their own language and make the store more accessible globally. So it's not limiting people who cannot understand English. So if I notice that a particular set of country is visiting my store, or I want to attract customers from a particular region, then I use the translate and adapt to translate into that language so that when they visit the store, it will be really easy for them to navigate and buy from us. And then the ShipBob fulfillment is a third party fulfillment app that stores, packs, and ships order from other warehouses. So I can offer fast, reliable delivery to customers without handling any physical inventory myself when I use this particular app that is installed into the Shopify store. And then for the CJ dropshipping, is also one of the fulfillment app I use to source and import products directly into the store just with one click. And like I showed earlier, there were some of the products in the products featured page that were from CJ Dropshipping, and there were some that I manually added, So, and this also comes out in a very, very good and beautiful optimized way that when a customer places an order, CJ handles all the picking, packaging, and shipping automatically. It also includes pushing the tracking number back to the Shopify. All right. So integrating this app helps to have a wider range of products from the CJ dropshipping app. That if you are into dropshipping, then you can just pick a variety of products from that app. They have a wide range of products there, So that's is why we integrated that particular app into our store. All right, so we have the Intercom. Intercom is like a CRM tool. It's a customer messaging app that allows me to communicate with shoppers in real time through live chat, automated messages, and support tools. It helps me to deliver a more personalized customer experience directly on the store. And we also have Shopify Inbox integrated into this app, like I showed earlier. That also is a messaging tool that we can also, well, that is free. Shopify Inbox is free. It can also be used to communicate with shoppers in real time through live chat and automated messages. All right, so that's the full back end walkthrough of Dadedan Store. The horizon theme setup from top to bottom, plus all the apps running behind the scene. So if you have any question about any of these sections, let me know. And then thank you for staying and watching to the end of this video. So have a good day. Bye.